All right, the last video we had, we drained Thunder out of fuel, so we got to fill this bad boy up. And it is thirsty. Like I told you, it takes 6 gallons per minute. Holds 22 gallons. We got a big funnel, so it don't take long to get 5 gallons in there. Here we go. Pure methanol, 99.9% methanol. Get every last drop, $6 a gallon. All right, need to get another 5 gallons. Hey Nikki, you know what you do with an old funnel like this here?
No, but I have a feeling you're going to tell me.
Did you ever hear my tornado siren?
I have not.
Okay, watch this here. You ready? Oh shit! You do not want to have fuel in your funnel. Wowzer, that was a good shot. That was going to clean my sinuses out. Are you ready? Here we go. How was that?
That's pretty good.
Not bad, huh?
No. Do you think you could do that big cone over there? Do you have enough hot air?
Oh, the big cone?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe it'll be louder.
Or maybe it'll just look funnier.
I could try this big old missile. Okay, I get some more room. Okay, nice and close so you can hear me.
Oh, I can hear you.
You ready? I get some wind in me. How do they do it? If I had taken choir lessons, I would have known how to get all your lungs full of air. Okay, take 2. Tornadoes go round and round. There they go. They
The
do?
sirens do, yeah.
Okay. Not so high pitched though. Okay, take 3. That's enough for this old guy.